Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're delving deeply into the 12 things you should never do for a man if you want respect, love, and a solid relationship. A topic older women truly ought to hear. Listen, I know it's tempting to attempt to repair, kindly, or put a man first. The reality is, though, some actions do drive men away or cause them to lose respect. I am not here to criticize. I'm here to assist you defend your value and draw the kind of relationship you are due. Let us start now. Why do some elderly women continue to engage in these activities? Many elderly women have spent years attempting to satisfy family, children, and yes, occasionally men at their own expense. It's generally founded in a desire to be loved, accepted, or to hold on to a relationship. Studies reveal, though, that losing oneself in an attempt to impress a man backfires. A 2020 study from the Journal of Social and Personal Partnerships found that excessive caregiving or over-pleasing in partnerships typically leads to imbalance when one partner feels overwhelmed and the other loses attractiveness or respect. The problem? Some activities begin from good intentions, but end in bad effects like emotional weariness, resentment, or loss of respect. So what are these things you should quit doing right now? What happens when you keep doing these? If you keep doing these things, you risk feeling depleted and unappreciated, building codependency, pushing your boyfriend away emotionally or even physically, losing your own identity and happiness, becoming less beautiful in his eyes. You don't want that, right? Let's break down the 12 things older women should never do for a man, and why eliminating these practices is vital for your well-being and relationship health. Number 1. Don't change who you are to accommodate him. One of the biggest blunders is attempting to transform yourself into what you believe he wants. It might be changing your interests, your style, or even your values. Why? Research demonstrates that authenticity is crucial in attractiveness. A 2019 Psychology Today article underlined that individuals are most drawn to those who express their true self because it promotes trust and meaningful connection. Changing yourself typically leads to dissatisfaction and resentment, since you're repressing your wants and desires. Number 2. Stop over-apologizing for things that aren't your fault. Older women may apologize too frequently to keep the peace or avoid disagreement, but constant apologies might make you look insecure or like you're constantly in the wrong. A 2018 Harvard Business Review report indicated that women apologize 3 times more than males in business and personal settings, which can unintentionally diminish others' opinion of their confidence. You don't have to say sorry every time. Stand your ground respectfully. Number 3. Don't try to fix his problems. It's tempting to pitch in and address his issues, financial difficulties, employment troubles, family strife. But attempting to repair everything can make you seem like a mother figure, not a partner. A 2021 study published in Couple and Family Psychology indicated that partners who feel unduly regulated or fixed typically retreat emotionally. Your role is to help, not solve. Let him tackle his own battles. Number 4. Stop compromising your own aspirations for him. Whether it's profession, hobbies, or social life, compromising your aspirations for a man might backfire. A research by the American Psychological Association in 2020 indicated that personal fulfillment corresponds highly with relationship satisfaction. When you prioritize your goals, you add energy and independence to the relationship, qualities men respect and find attractive. Number 5. Don't make yourself available 24/7. Constant availability conveys a message that you don't have a life outside the relationship. It can lead to complacency on his part and irritation for you. According to studies from Journal of Social and Personal Partnerships, effective boundaries and time apart actually boost attraction and respect in long-term partnerships. Make time for your friends, hobbies, and alone time. Number 6. Stop ignoring red flags. Maybe he cancels plans regularly, doesn't communicate properly, or ignores your sentiments. Ignoring these warning flags doesn't assist anyone. Data from the National Domestic Violence Hotline and relationship therapists demonstrate that early detection of toxic behaviors is crucial to preventing deeper concerns. Trust your intuition. Don't ignore what your heart and mind tell you. Number 7. Don't over-explain your feelings. Older women sometimes feel the need to justify or explain their emotions excessively to avoid disagreement, but this can dilute your message and make you look less confident. A 2019 study in Emotion Journal revealed that clear and direct emotional communication develops better understanding than over-explaining. Say what you feel clearly and forcefully. Number 8. Stop trying to purchase his love. Buying gifts, paying for dinners, or constantly doing favors to garner love or attention rarely works long-term. A 2022 survey by Match.com indicated that emotional connection and mutual respect are significantly more crucial than material gestures in sustaining attraction. Focus on developing emotional ties, not transactions. Number 9. Don't hide your age or life experience. Some older women strive to mask their age or past experiences to seem younger or more desirable, but honesty about your personal narrative is powerful. A 2017 survey by American Association of Retired Persons indicated that many men respect women who are confident about their age and experiences, since it displays wisdom and self-acceptance. Be proud of your journey. Number 10. Stop trying to please everyone, especially him. People-pleasing may be tiring and often leads to burnout. A 2018 clinical psychology review study indicated that prolonged people-pleasing is connected with greater anxiety and despair. You don't have to say yes to every request or put his demands above your own all the time. Healthy partnerships balance give and take. Number 11. Don't let fear of being alone govern you. Fear of loneliness can force older women to settle or tolerate substandard behavior, but being alone is not the same as being lonely, and it's better than being in a toxic relationship. Research from the Journal of Social Psychology in 2020 indicated that persons who like their own company and have a strong sense of self-worth develop healthier partnerships. Work on liking yourself first. Number 12. Stop expecting him to change. Many women feel they can improve a man's negative behaviors or demeanor over time, but research, including a 2019 Journal of Marriage and Family, reveal that major personality changes are rare. Accept people as they are, or go on if it's not a good fit. What should you do instead? So if you quit doing these 12 things, what's the alternative? Here's what you should focus on. Be authentic. Show your true self and cherish your own thoughts and feelings. Set appropriate boundaries. Know when to say no and protect your energy. Maintain your independence. Keep your hobbies, profession, and social life active. Communicate clearly. Be honest and direct without over-explaining. Trust your intuition. Don't ignore red signals or settle for less than you deserve. Prioritize self-love. Work on your self-esteem and enjoy your own company. Build mutual regard. Look for a spouse who appreciates and values you totally. Let me offer a little tale that explains this perfectly. A woman named Susan, 52, came to a relationship counselor feeling fatigued and unappreciated. She was continually attempting to repair her boyfriend's problems, cancelling her plans to be available, and sacrificing her career goals to satisfy him. After working on setting boundaries, focusing on her passions, and stopping these habits, her relationship evolved. He started respecting her more, speaking better, and they got closer. Not because she changed for him, but because she became secure and loyal to herself. This isn't only Susan's story. It's a proven route backed by science and countless women's experiences. If you've been doing any of these 12 things for a man, I hope this video helps you see why it's time to stop. Respect yourself first, set your limits, and see how your relationships transform for the better. Remember, you deserve a mate who loves you for exactly who you are, not for what you do for him. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more honest talk about relationships and self-worth.